I like that. There we go. What's up, guys? Nope. Gotta do that. Whoopsies. What's up, everybody? How are we? How are we doing? I completely touched that with my fingers. And it's now yucky. Okay. New daily opening is still below. I see that that trade would not have worked out that I had up, so that's fine. Not gonna complain about missing that. I did not expect it to drop this much. Like, that was a very big surge in volume at 8:30. Was there news that I missed? Probably. Because that was a very, very big surge that I did not expect to see. But anyways, let's see what New York brings us. I don't even know if I'm going to be on too long today. Let's see if it gives us any opportunities. If not, I might call it a bit of a short day today. Because, I mean, I'm already up. I'm already in the green today. Let's maybe not risk some silly goose situations. Yeah, you can see here this would not have worked. Nope, nope, nope. What's up, OTT? How you doing? How's it going? Are you doing phenomenal? Okay, got it, Foxy. Thanks. Can I do that? How would you do that? Can you like search people? I don't know how that works. Oh, doesn't matter. Let's do this. Oh, I see we're missing a candle over there. Whatever. Let's mark out them highs and lows. It did not take out Asia high. Interesting. Very, very interesting. It just edged people, created a freaking equal high all the way up here. Rude. London low is taken. I'm just gonna mark out this point of interest. Like I said, we now also have equal highs. Literally here. Or relative equal highs, whatever you want to call them. Point is, they're pretty damn freaking close, but yeah, there's London. London high sorted. Wow. Like I said, what happened at 8:30? Lucky bullish over all the assets today. Oh, interesting. What's up, Babito? How are you doing? Okay, so you're feeling a little bit of the bulls to come back into play. I mean, it has dropped. Cannot deny that. It has dropped. I think we're just gonna have to see how it acts now. I'm potentially bearish. Let's see though. We know me and I was bearish when we started out London. Bulls took over there, so what do I know? Okay, so let's do this. You see, I was bored. Bit of my nails. Had a moment of boredom, and I was like, yeah. Okay. Retapped into VWAP, so we are below VWAP on ES, but we do be above VWAP on NQ. So let's see what we get. Like I said, I am up like $140 today, which for me recently is pretty good. Is pretty good. Let's maybe not give it all back today. That sounds like a tomorrow problem, but You know, if there's an A+ setup, you best believe I'm going to be taking that thing. Again, has to be A+ though, else it's not worth it. Okay, how much time we got? We've got 10 minutes to go before open. Let's do a quick little top to bottom again. Just remind the brain cells what the plans are. So, daily, how's daily looking? Yeah. Actually, ever so slightly moved down on the daily so far. Still bullish though. And just broken above VWAP on ES. Okay. Hour. Yeah, not really. Hey, Bob. Hasn't even been a change in character. It's just a little bit of a retrace or retest, if you will. So, bulls are still in play until proven otherwise. Maybe a loss of momentum. No, not really. Yeah. Trend is friend until it's not, and it's still going up and away. No, Louis, what happened? Took a little loss. I'm sorry. Barely happens for you. You missed all the good stuff this morning. Damn. This morning was fun. Check the 1 hour. Okay. Retested back into that. In the 1 hour, there was that inverse fair value gap. Ooh. Yeah. What's up, Dad? How we doing? Okay. 15 minutes. Okay. What's up, Deb? I'm gonna understand. Nice. I just realized it's Wednesday. I'm scared. Ah. And didn't you had a break even this morning though, right? That's fine. You didn't have a loss. You had a break even. You're grand. You'll be just grand. Here we go. See if we do indeed reject off of that, or if this is the push we need. Okay. Back to the Uno Momento. No, just kidding. 1 minute. Let's go. Yeah, wait, no. Yes? No, OTT, you only took 1 trade during London, right? No? Yes. Maybe? I can't remember. Didn't you take like a pre-London trade? I feel like that's what you did. You took a pre-London trade. That's a thing. Okay, nothing uber duper special there. That's fine. 9:24. We have 6 minutes to go. Marked out everything I wanted to kind of take note of. There's this huge fair value gap. Let's see if we're going to reject off of it or fill it in and keep going. Yeah, just one trade, it was break even. See, that's okay. And last week, Wednesday, you had a win. Let's not forget that. You did indeed have a little winner chicken dinner last week, Wednesday. Oh, was it during London? You didn't trade during New York then, did you? No, you didn't. White Sweet? What's up? How long am I in this industry? Basically 1 year. What's up? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Ayo, Debbie! Oh, do you know what I've not done? What is wrong with me? How dare I?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
How's it going, everybody? I'm gonna sell if it gets to 337. Shall we do a poll again before open? Long? Short? Sideways. I don't know if sideways is gonna be a thing, but you never know, do you? Let's see, I remembered the sideways part today. Okay, Debbie, I got you. Well, now. Not today. Let's do this. Okay. I took another 5-hour pre-New York. Nice! Did you get that huge dip that happened? Go have fun. What's up? What strategies do I use to trade? So I have a little bit of a hybrid of market auction theory, ICT, and SMC kind of smushed together. Yeah, there's not much more of a way to describe it. White Sweet, how long have you been trading for? What's your plan? What's your plan of action? 3 minutes to go. Well, technically like 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Smart money concepts is what SMC stands for. I said long for a very short while. That works. What's up, DJ? How you doing? How's it going? We got 9:28. So 2 minutes to go. Are we ready for this? Okay, I'm ready. Am I ready? Let me not butcher this like I did that other day. Okay, no. Ooh, time just instantly slowed down there. That was a little bit weird. That was a bit irritating. I don't like it when time does that. Come on, we've got to be good and ready to go. Guys, for those of you that weren't here during New York after open, I will show you what happened. It was close. Let's just put it that way. So I actually took 2 trades during London. Did I say those that weren't here during New York? I did. Those that weren't here during London. I took 2 trades. Both of them were winners. One actually, I left a runner to nearly 5R, which was awesome. The other one got... I don't even think I should say it got a tick away from my stop loss. It got like a spread. It got a spread away from my stop loss and then went up. It was this close. 15 seconds. 11, 10, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, this is a little bit of a cluster zone. Let's see what happens. Thinking gold will touch all-time high again. I don't actually trade gold. Sorry, those that are trading gold, do you think that gold will touch all-time high again? What's up, Gok? How you doing, bud? Sorry, that was irritating me. Here is the open. Who else has been having yeah. How's everyone's trades been? Debbie's had 2 bangers. OTT had a break even. Louis had a loss, which is very rare for him, so I have to mention it, because I don't get to say it often. Chill dude, you're long after a while. Yes, gold will keep making new all-time high. There we go, white sweep. Okay. 930 range. Oh, that rejected forward off of that freaking VWAP on ES. If you guys don't have it open, this is ES. Check. Off of that VWAP, straight down. Straight down. Wow, okay. Next, let's see if we get the first presented fair value gap so early. It just got well dark where I am. Feels a little airy. That's terrifying, Debbie. I gotta learn how to speak like a mysterious Riddler. It is currently not working. DJ, why do you want to? Do you think it'll just be fun? I guess. It could just be fun, to be fair. I get it. I would do that. Hey, Minimally, what's up? Oh, Minimally, that is amazing. You banked 100 points yesterday? That deserves a whoop whoop. Well done, bud. Oh, okay, we have a little bit of argumentations happening in the chat. A lot of people saying gold is definitely hitting all-time highs, and Louis saying nope. Yeah, it feels cool. Okay. Well, we're climbing. If you hear snoring in the background, it's Perry, because he has. No, I'm saying not something stupid. We'll go back up there again. Oh, okay, okay. What's your version of soon, though? Let's maybe figure that one out. Like, is your soon like not within this day, or not within a week, or not within a month? People have like different ideas of what soon could be. First time after passing EVAM and plus on a funded. Feels good. Minimally, I'm so proud of you. That is amazing. Goals. Goals. I'll get there eventually. My version of soon is 2 weeks. I'm thinking 2 to 3 months. I guess, but you know, that's like me going, oh no, a short's definitely gonna happen. Definitely. Not anytime soon, but it's definitely gonna happen. I'm not wrong. You know, I think the key to trading, ironically, is timing. Oh. Skeletor, that was terrible. Augustine, how you doing? Baron of Foxhole, what's up? Kujan, how you doing? I think if it drops to 29180, it's about to shoot up to 550. Let's see what happened. Oh, sorry, I was messing with that again. I apologize. Here's the bottom of the 5-minute orb. I'm just taking note of it. First presented has not yet presented itself. Okay, still struggling to break. Oh, never mind. As I said that. I'll say still struggling to break that 5-minute orb. See if it goes into the lows. He's trading on the movement and market makes something personal. Saw on the paper a man was struck by lightning and died, of course. If he stopped resisting. Skeletor, I did not quite get that one. I think it... Who don't you think so? I got my money back on gold sell just now. TP slap. Nice. Oh, electrician joke. Okay. Sorry. Sorry, that went like whoosh right over my head. Baron of Foxhole, at least you understood it. Wait, here's the first presented. Oof, there's a lot going on in this level right here. There's a lot going on in this level. Damn. That was close. What's up, David? Okay, this is now running a little bit of Bob to Bob. Pity about that. Okay. Didn't come and retest up high enough. It just checked that 5-minute orb again. Why is my alert system a minute late? That's not good. Teacher slash dad joke. Get Jackson the parrot dance. They don't have it. They do not have it. I tried to get it. It is a volume business. $9.39. Okay, we're still going. Push down from the London time cluster. Great sell entry. It tapped into that 180 level, Kujan. Let's see what happens. Or do you want it to be taken out properly? Sorry, Perry is snoring away. Snoring away. Life is rough. Okay. Sorry, I hear hooting. I don't think it's for me, but I'll keep an ear out. Felix at night knocks on the door and runs off. That's rude. Can't share Perry. Good. I can. He's right there snoring away. Gosh. And you know, I don't know if I've posted a video of this before. There's a whole bed. There is a whole bed. Do you want to know where he sleeps at night? He sleeps pushing me off of the bed. I have like this much bed to sleep on at night. It's rude. Okay, well, that was taken, so that's now fine. Let's see what it does at the first presented. Not much, the answer to that. Went down 30 points. Sorry, Louis. Yeah. Oh, I didn't have it on this morning, and I thought, let me just leave it all for today. Screw it. So, yes, we are wild and free today. Just like the charts. How often do you get dreams? What do you mean by dreams, DJ? Like, how often do I dream? What do you mean? A little bit of an inverse just appeared here now. I'm watching it on ES. ES, it just hit a shelf. ES, it actually just retraced 50% of quite a nice level. There's that little bit of a bounce. So I'm watching this carefully. I don't know what this wants to do, so that's why I'm kind of staying hands off for now. That was not bad. Here we go. That would have hurt my feelings quite a bit. How often do I dream? I guess most nights I actually dream. Don't ask me to remember what they are, but yeah, I'm pretty sure like most of the nights I do end up having dreams. Is that weird? I don't know what I'm saying either. I'm just waiting for a treat. DJ, you a little bit bored there? Okay. A little bit hands off for now. Let's see what happens. See what we get. DJ, wait. Why were you asking about dreams? I feel like we need to address that first. Why were you asking about dreams? What's up? Okay. If I talk really softly, you can sometimes hear in the background what's happening. I'm gonna keep talking slightly and hope that he snores, and let's see if you guys hear him. I'm just gonna keep talking softly. There was a little one. And now he stopped snoring. Yeah, normally if I don't talk... There we go. Can you not hear that, like... Just sounds like heavy breathing. Like that. Dreams in general are weird, but if you learn how to lose a dream, what will be chasing, how fun it can be. No thanks. Yes, Sam. Don't you feel like... is it bad that I don't know who that is, DJ? The FP, nice so long. Ready? What's up, Dom? How we doing? Because I have these versions of the future and I feel like... Ooh, well, do tell. What do What do the future holds? What do the future holds? Yep. English. Nailed it. Let's do this. Louis Soul, Dave. Dom is looking for a long. That music doesn't sound wild and free. What do you mean? Ah! Sorry, I'm just going what the heck on ES. Check out this absolute BS. BS. Sorry. Would have wicked me out and then gone straight down. Rude. Very rude. Much offense taken. Anyways. And above. Nothing yet would have been a good winner for me. Very nice bob to bob action right there though. Oh, thanks Dom, I appreciate it. Right where I have the cross is a good... What cross? What happening? Yeah. Bob level reversal zone. Let's see, it just tapped into the new daily opening level. There wasn't really a gap, but I did just mark out where it was, where the opening was. Okay. Yeah, like I said, I'm not like super willing to give up all of my profits from this morning. Making sure you're on AI, ask if you dream. Interesting. What's happening? What is happening right now? Ooh, all the way down to Asia low. Okay then. Edged people at Asia high. Wait, this is not yesterday's Asia low, is it? Oh, it is too. I mean today's Asia low, not yesterday's. Yeah, okay. Ooh, went too far, my bad. Just engulfed and is still just going. What the heck, man? That just ran away. That just completely ran away. Securing 1K. Nice, Louis. Very, very nice. I'm pulling a face because a lot of people making a lot of noise outside right now. Whoa. Okay then. Okie dokie then. Yeah, if they make noise again, I'm gonna quickly go outside and check what's happening. Did it take you out, Louis? You still good? Yes, you took a loss. Oh, OTT, no. Obito caught all of that move? Okay, well, two things have to happen. First of all, Obito and Louis. Whoop whoop. Well done. So freaking proud of you guys. That is awesome. And then, OTT. You know what's gonna happen, right? Are we ready for what's gonna happen? We're gonna make Debbie happy. Fireworks, stop now. There we go. Are we ready? Had to play the stop loss sound. Nah, OTT is not that young. He's young, don't get me wrong, but he's not that young. No. This do be very volatile right now. A wild Debbie appears with a ninja in the shadows. I'm not that young, Maya projecting her old age on me. Anyways, rude. It's running wild today. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's so much fun when it's like this. Not necessarily that I can get anything when it is like this, but let's do this. Do you know what is just so sad? If I'm not mistaken, there was actually someone out there that got 6, 7 tattooed on their face. That was the dumbest thing I've ever seen, but you know, each to their own. It's also traced a little bit high on ES, and then I expect it to drop again. It hasn't retraced quite to where I want to see it retrace before another potential drop back down. So Dom is in the pullback to, if he please miss first man, it's one else. There's a reason I'm hands off today, gosh, darn. Haven't seen anything I like yet. That's a lie. I potentially saw that, but that would have not tagged me in. That's fine. And still hasn't reached where I want to see it reach on ES. Nearly there. There we go. Now it's reached where I wanted to see it reach on ES. So let's see if now it's going to be a continuation, or if this is where we come back. No, actually continuation low-key looks like it. If OTT took the long on ES, he might be happy right now. Probably would have bought 2 minutes ago. So Louis selling if this hits midnight again. Can't take anything yet. Alright. Forgot about that level. This is low-key the most painful trading week, man. I just want one payout. You haven't had a win, you've mostly been having break-evens, right? Don't worry, OTT, you've got this, you've got this, you've got this. It's only Wednesday. It's only Wednesday. There's still 2 more days to this week. OTT, you've got this. I believe in you. Okie dokie. Like I said, I'm watching this carefully now. Still haven't seen anything I like. Can I help you? Even the nails are black. I know, I was bored. I was bored between sessions, so I painted my nails. And they're extra long, so it's fun. I mean, it's my first loss the whole month, but still. Then OTT, go sit in a corner and be quiet. Oh my goodness. Complaining about a loss when it was his first loss this whole month. Really? Okay. Anyways, whatever. Gop, what's up? How you doing, bud? I'm not okay. I forgot how losses feel. I'm not. I forgot how wins feel, so we are not the same. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so sorry. I feel you, OTT. I hate win streak breakers. Y'all just over here bragging. Okay, there he shouldn't be barking. Give me a second, guys. Nah, we're good. Okay, what did I miss? Got stood up by a win. Okay. Let's do this. I for like 10 years, you'll start dating again. Lava Turtle, how are you doing? OTT is too young to be going through all of these emotions right now. Break-evens are still failed trades and need to be treated as such. Oh damn. Okay. Just got slapped there. So break-evens are still failed trades and need to be treated as such. So Bob, why do you say they failed trades? Obviously they didn't hit TP. But is that the main reason? Really? Pretty sure I've won this one quite often, but thank you, Louis. Appreciate it. Damn, Bob just came in and just went, you know what, y'all need.
Emotional damage.
Apparently that's what we needed. So I call my $20 wins losses. Phone call break even, a complete failed trade. But it is to an extent. It's just I guess it's just a no trade. Sounds weird, but yeah. What time is it? Okay. Just watching this. But on the 15-minute. Definitely closed. Bearish. Okay, still just getting like rejected all over the place. It's like going to work and not getting paid for the day. You never worked a day in your life? What the heck, DJ? How old are you again? How have you not worked a day in your life? I have questions. So many questions. Hey, funny. Funny, what's up? Ice cream makes everything better. Trading is kind of like work, I guess. DJ, that's fine. You're 18, right? I keep forgetting that you're pretty young. You're younger than OTT, which is wild because OTT is like the baby. But you haven't got a proper job or waiting to come. I mean, I started my first job when I was 16, but it wasn't really a job. It was like a December job, right? But between school situation. Now you're just grands. Rude. Did I get 17k for this today? No, definitely not 17k. I am up $140 though. Which is pretty decent for me recently. Trust. In .05. Oh, good. grief. I didn't actually check. What did you guys say you thought today was gonna be? I see longs. Oh, okay. Longs won by 54% and 55%. On the one side, we got long, short, and sideways. Long 54% win, short 29, and sideways 17. And then long 55%, short 36%, and sideways 9%. Okay. I feel like I'm getting ganged up on you a little bit. Just saying. Don't be so mean. We are at a little bit of a stuck point. So am I really surprised if this does indeed go sideways right now? I won't be surprised. We had so much movement during Asia and London that for New York to be a bit of an accumulation would kind of make sense. Like I said, I'm in no rush to give back my profits today, so that's fine. Ugh, even if I'm just here for an hour today and we call it an early one. It is what it is. If this thing is just gonna be sideways boring, then I like when it burns the whole season first and do the new season. Let's see, 10:07. Even the new hourly candle didn't give us anything. Sorry, I was a bit uncomfy. What do you mean you don't see all the price in my chart? What do you mean? And buy me how much is it? And what is it? I'm assuming it's a game. Do I ever want to know how much it costs, OTT? How much is it? There's the drop. It went down a bit further than I called, but it did shoot up. 500 rand. To be fair, some games are more expensive than that. 500 is not like the worst. It's not great, don't get me wrong. It's not great. What do you mean you see only 29? Yeah, it's because this is basically, we're in the 29 levels. What? Volume coming, attention, we can go up. Yeah, exactly, OTT. That's why, like, I remember when Hogwarts Legacy like came out. Oh, that was expensive. That was very, very expensive. Had to wait for that thing to go on sale before I got that. That's it for the table. Okay, still not yet. Gosh. Having to sit on hands is sometimes a bit tricky. Oh my gosh, 1,900 rand. See. Oh, it was for free, not to brag or anything. Why? How? Why did you get it for free? Also, OTT, you've never told me that you've played it. Have you played it? What did you think? Racing games fell off after the PS3. I see we are at this topic for it. I know that the charts are slow when we start having random conversations about random things. Do you know what we should maybe do quickly before I forget? We should maybe do butterfly of the day. Who wants to... actually, I don't trust any of you guys. I don't trust any of you guys to pick any number like mature human beings. And you can't even say that's not right. Attention to 29320. Gosh, that's very far back up there. That's very far back up there. What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? David, it has to be higher than 30 something if I'm not mistaken. Higher than 38. 64 Chevy Impala. I did not say that. I said sometimes you guys just don't act mature. Hence the 67. 67. Not 67. 67. Okay, let's see. We got 42 and 77. Oh, we've already done that one. Pity, because that one's quite cool. And 77. Oh, it's a brown. Okay. Nope. I'm taking over. Let's find something. Oh, that's cool. What is it? I guess the fact that I opened it and said, oh, that's cool. Maybe we should do that one. A fig tree blue. Oh gosh, this price action sucks. What the heck? London was so much fun and now this is coming up being all yucky. When are we gonna get page 69? Page 69 is boring as heck. Shall I show you page 69? Wait, that's 96. Brown. Brown butterflies. Literally. They are the brown family. They are brown butterflies. I've done one of them before. See the scarce fig tree blue. Because he's cool. Okay. Are you guys ready for him? GG. What about 169? Okay, you want 169? It's too late because I've already picked a butterfly, but I'll show you 169. Okay, 169 is pretty cool. It has all the sapphire butterflies, so it's a bunch of like blue looking butterflies. Y'all are unhinged today, I hope you know that. Sorry, and I got real quiet. Let's quickly have a look here. No. Problem is if it retraces on ES further to the 50% level, yeah, that's going to be taken out there. which I expect ES to retrace further down. And the sellers are a little bit more active. I'm gonna say active. They're a little bit more active right now on NQ. I mean, watch it work out, but a little bit risky. Okay. Looks like potentially it's working out. Anyways, butterfly of the day. So, ready, steady. Oh, there it goes. Okay, distract ourselves with butterflies. Here it is. How cool. Don't lie, he's pretty badass. Okay, so he is called the Lesser or the Scarce Fig Tree Blue. He has a wingspan of 26 to 38 millimeters. Okay, wait. Flies with common fig tree blue. Yeah, so same. Okay, so distribution is lowland forest from Eastern Cape, East London, along coast to Cozy Bay, KwaZulu-Natal, and along Mpumalanga, Limpopo province, escarpment foothills to Soutpansberg. Habitat is forest edges, hilltops, and rocky ledges. Flight period is year-round. Strong peaks November and April to June. There we go. And his Latin name is Marina dermaptera. There we go. There's our butterfly of the day. I nearly dropped my book. Butterfly of the day. Bigfoot Plays, what's up? How's it going? So this would have been moved to break even. Okay. Basically a break even trade here. So not a winner. So nothing gained, nothing lost by not taking that trade. But I heard that you guys. Anyways, is my internet not coping? I thought my internet was coping. That's a bummer. Okay then. If I thought about Marvel, especially over there. I'm back. What was it about the 269 request? I didn't look at it. I'll have to look at it tomorrow. Hello, handsome. Can I help you? I'm a little bit disappointed in this, I'm not gonna lie. Also, not surprised by it either. With how much volume we had during New York and London and Asia. Fact 2 about the butterfly. The caterpillars are pals with ants, but because it tricks them, the caterpillars communicate with the ants using vibration and chemicals that mimic the ants' own. What? Signals the ants treat them almost like honorary ant larvae instead of food. I feel like these poor ants just get absolutely used. I'm about to myself. That means Debbie is sick. What is happening? Do I want to? Nope. Nope. Don't wanna know. Not gonna ask questions. Yep. Not gonna ask any questions. You know, sometimes I just read this chat and I think, what is happening? That is what's happening today, right now. I'm just reading this going, sure. From the caterpillar sugary. Ew. What's up, Geordie? How you doing? Did you take any trades in this chaos? Don't know how else to explain this apart from chaos. Did you take anything? Someone did a whoop whoop. What? Did you do a whoop whoop? Who did a whoop whoop? I thrive in the chaos. You're right. You're right. How dare I question that? That's my bad. That's my bad. That's on me. I should have known better. Would have been a nice little win. Oh, well, just shy of a win on ES here. Nearly a win. There we go. There's the win on ES. Hasn't quite tapped back into the viewer. What is wrong? What's up? Hi. Okay. Just came and placed himself here. I think you're okay. There's no more sweeties. Hello, handsome. We talk like we've known each other for years a little bit, hey? You got me. Yes, yes, it was me. Oh my goodness, you know what that means though. That you get a whoop whoop. I feel like I missed an important question, but sorry, he comes first because he is so cute. So, you know, had to disrupt my trading for scratches. Is that okay? Okay. What is biltong? Oh, Mikwale, I feel sorry for you. Hello, handsome. You good? Okay. I don't have sweeties. You finished all of them. You did. You finished all the sweets. Sorry. Sorry. Don't be mad at me. It's not my fault. You ate all of them. You gave me puppy eyes. My dog has human eyes. He does. He does have human eyes. Like I said, he's my child. Hey. You're my child. Yeah. We do know each other for a year. Okay, I've missed a lot. I've missed so much. I'm we all talk. We don't know each other for years. No, he wants a free. It's Ookie Bookie. Oh my gosh. What's the question, Mikuave? Why do we push Hera? Together for like 3 years now, Ninja. I love that. Ninja, that's not an Apple song. It's basically I said beef jerky. Greetings. It's been a minute. What's up, Lurk? How are we doing? I feel like she definitely read my comment. Oh, I did. I saw that. I saw that. Mikuave. That is brilliant. That is brilliant. That is definitely true love. Like smother him. Yeah. Yeah, literally.
Literally, people want to smother you because you're so cute. You know that. People want to smother you because you're adorable.
Your target's getting smashed, boy. It is not beef jerky. Your mom's a beef jerky. Okay, I went all the way back up now. What'd this look like on the 5 minute? Okay, you're lying down now. Cool, thanks. It was a bit of a solid bob to bob, but I don't know if I would have taken that. Okay, but we have a little bit of movement again, so that's something. Did want to try and enter in on a long there, but it would have taken me out. Which is rude, but whatever. It's texting me. It's like vinegar wet beef jerky. Is it even good? Louis Biltong is amazing. Amazing. Unfortunately, down here in KZN, I have not found a nice biltong place, which makes me really, really sad. I really want some decent biltong, and there's nothing here. Which makes me really sad. So, you best believe, when I'm back up in Joburg, I'm gonna be getting myself some biltong. Okay, 10:27. I am not convinced that I'm going to be getting something today. I mean, I had two goodies this morning during London, so that was cool. This is now just kind of running away. Biltong is like brine beef jerky. Why you always gotta... No! Also, I feel like biltong is easier to say than beef jerky. One word. Biltong. Not beef jerky. We take that seriously. Yeah. Honestly, it is not beef jerky. My dad actually, like, bought a specific like biltong dryer. Don't know if it was like called like an air dryer or something. But yeah, my dad even specifically bought. That's why I miss like the proper stuff, because my dad used to make some. And it was nice. Okay. We're at 10:30. Been here for an hour. Deciding if I call it early or not. Those of you that missed it, do you want to check my London sessions? Trades. Got 2 in. Was a goodie today. Got 2 trades in. This one wicked in. Partialed it at the top, and I had 2 contracts for this, and I left a runner. I actually wanted the runner to go up to Bob level, but I had a very tight stop, then it came and took me out and then continued back up. The second one... Oh my gosh, I'm gonna zoom in properly here so you guys can understand the extent of how close it was to hitting stop loss. 0.25 of a point. A quarter of a point away from hitting stop loss. Theoretically, it just wicked in. Theoretically. And then went and hit TP. And then that was me going, no, I think I've pushed all my luck for today. I'm calling it. And yeah, so far, I would not have had one single winner for New York. Potentially this, but I don't know if I would have taken this. I wouldn't have taken this. And yeah, here we are. Anyways, I see we have okay, all the weird combos. Are happening today. Okay, it's stuck on VWAP. I wonder if it's gonna pop down one more time or not. Oh, the 50% on ES kind of looks good, so which means this is going to retrace slightly. Potentially tap back into VWAP and then go back up. So Jordy, are you done trading for the day? Mikawabe, same for you. Who's done trading for today, by the way? Nope. The Trump wants to make it for state, right? I took a sim account. Whoop whoop. Should I be happy or cry? Nah, you can be happy about that. You called it. If you called it perfectly, I think you can be proud of that. Maybe shed a tear a little bit later, but you can be happy with it still. I think I'm done for the day. I'm up 2.3k. That makes sense. Stuck in this range. Wifey's begin. Wife? Aren't you guys just girlfriend and boyfriend? I'm confused now, Jordy. Explain yourself. Dude, just call her wifey, but you guys are just dating. Post market times. Me and OTT are both like, wait a second. Wait a damn minute. Brightest future, you're single, looking to mingle. Okay, dating, but you call her wifey. Okay. Just, I was like, wait. Yeah, I teach $1,000 a month to buy my course. What are you, little lady friend? Okay, OTT, never ever question me again when I say that, you know, sometimes y'all can be immature. Just putting it out there. Do with that information what you will. Never ever question me again when I say that. Dagnabbit. So much for me not taking a trade. This one's quite nice. Basically just risking that little trade I took earlier. Goes back into there. Retesting, could go a little bit further down. Okay. There's a volume imbalance on ES that I want to see it hit and then go back up. It is bouncing off the wick there on ES. Minimum flip and standard deviation. Let's let us use 20 times to then. Okay, okay, okay. Damn, it's at that volume imbalance on ES. And it's not rejecting, it is rejecting off of it. Sorry, it's not rejecting how I wanted to see it reject off of that volume imbalance on ES. Which means this could be dumping a little bit lower. So there would have been a tag in. Let's see here. Yeah, there we go. Rejected, just not enough. Oh, okay, so ES is going down. Oh my gosh. ES, the sellers are definitely there. It's about to tap into VWAP. Watch it hit TP. Shh, 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 shh. What's up, Medved? Nah, it has to go further down still, I think. Just looking at ES, it needs to retrace a little bit further. Like what, 2 points? Ooh, actually just shy of 2 points. There we go, and there's the tap. Woo! Okay. Glad I listened to myself with that one. That would have been a little unnecessary loss. Whoa, okay. This was A+, but that non-reaction off of ES made me go, nope. What's up, Medved? Today I'm actually up $140, so that's cool. Did it retest to the 50% here? Oh, it did too! Okay, so it's retesting the full range. There we go. So I just had to retest the full range. Tapped into VWAP on ES, and now we're going back up. What's up, Mike the God? How are we doing? No. Maybe we're gonna continue going down. Okay then. Sitting on VWAP on both sides. NQ and ES is gonna reject off of it or not? Had a hectic day, but all's... Well, there we go. Yeah, my day's been chilled. Can't complain. It was actually a really fun London session. There we go. Okay, I retraced into the 50% there. Well, let me not speak too soon. Yeah, let me not speak too soon. But London session was lots of fun. I actually thoroughly enjoyed London session. London session was a banger for me, but yeah, and this one has been lots of fun chatting to you guys. Trading wise, meh. A little bit meh. Chilling, running away, chilling, wicking all over the place. Not the bestest of days for me. Might be good, I'm good. Terletto Molefe, what's up? How are you doing? Do I use order flow? No. Well, yeah, no. There's a few people in the community that do though. Okay, it is rejecting off, but not quite as much as I would have liked to have seen. Come on, reject properly. But that was a big spike in volume. But because it struggled to go anywhere, it does show that the buyers are still here. The buyers are indeed still here. Oh, is the Wi-Fi having a freak out? Right, that was a very random thing that just happened there. That's it. Theoretically, I use supply and demand, and theoretically, I kind of use order flow. So these levels here, the bob levels, basically, I guess you could call them volume and institutional levels, right? Something along those lines. Medvid, I did! Sorry, you missed Butterfly of the Day. I can quickly show you it. I can show you what it looked like if you want. This was Butterfly of the Day right here. Very, very cool. Yeah, the scarce fig tree blue butterfly. This was our Butterfly of the Day. He has little swoopy swoops on his butt, which is cool. Okay, so retrace the full 50% range and is now going back up. Don't do it. 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 Okay. Okay, I might actually have to call it here. Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry, Medved, you joined and I'm probably gonna be calling it actually. Purely for one reason and one reason only, is because I'm getting a little bit of FOMO. And I'm gonna do something dumb. I can tell you that already. I'm gonna do something dumb real soon. So I'm gonna most likely call it there then today. I'm up a little bit. Whatever this is today is not, well, not today. During New York doesn't work so well with my strategy. So rather, let's call it a day. I will be back then tomorrow, London session. Let's see if we get another banger. Like I said, today was tons of fun. Tons of fun. If you missed it, I have posted a short. It'll come out a little bit later. I have posted a short with that trade that was a little bit too close for comfort. And you can see what happened. Yeah. But like I said, I know it's a little bit early, but yeah. Do you see? The FOMO is getting to me. I'm gonna do dumb. Nope. I'm gonna do something bad. Aw, cheers, Ninja. Mad love to all of you. Cheers, David. I'll see you tomorrow. Heck yeah, guys. I will see you then tomorrow. I don't want to do dumb things, and I can tell you already my brain's going, just do it. And I'm like, no. So I love you guys. Don't forget to press that like button. Check out the short. You guys can see the chaos that happened during London. It was fun. It was a good old time. Okay. I love you guys madly. See you tomorrow. Trade safe in this chop. Okay. Trade safe. Be good. I love you guys.